नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं इंडस फूड एग्जीबिशन में जो कि हो रही है इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है ट्रेड प्रमोशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने। वेलकम टू इंडस फूड सर, हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इंडस फूड सो फार?
It's a great exhibition. I think it's a wonderful platform where we can see suppliers, manufacturers, and also international buyers, the leading players in the foods industry from the length and breadth of the country are here. So it's a very good platform for the food industry.
And sir, tell me something about your product range.
Yeah. So Emami Agrotech is a part of Emami Group company, and we are one of the largest manufacturer of edible oils in India. We have our own plants across East Coast, South Coast and West Coast of the country. And in addition to that, we are also having mustard crushing unit in Jaipur. And recently we have entered into foods categories 3-4 years back. So we are into spices, blended spices, pure spices. And we are also into plant protein, soya based product. And we have plans to launch more products within the foods category. Yeah.
So sir, what basically motivated you to enter the food market and the spice market?
So we have been into edible oil industry for last 12-15 years with brands like Emami Healthy and Tasty and Best Choice. We have got very good support and reception from consumers across all parts of the country, and that trust of consumers motivated us to launch other products. There are categories which are still very fragmented where you need good quality players, national players which come with a big sense of credibility and trust. So these are the parameters which are helping us identify categories. And also in terms of edible oil, we are a 20,000 crore organization. So we look forward to categories in foods which can give us this kind of a scale also, because we have ambition to reach a 2,000 crore top line only with processed foods in the near future.
Thank you so much, sir. Please tell us something about your future plans for expansion and all.
Since we are basically a FMCG group and we are also in food and we have a big brand name, it's a basically consumer based company. So we want to grow gradually more in food and more innovation, more innovative foods. And in today's world, innovation, new technology, it helps to reach food to every household. And we are very quality conscious company, and we focus mainly on quality, safety, health. So that is a core area where we are more focused on foods, so that affordability and good food we can serve to every house.
And sir, in your opinion, how these kinds of events are important for food processing industry?
See, it's a very, very important event for food processing, because under one umbrella, you are looking spices, pulses, ready to eat, ready to cook, beverages, okay, and all the new concepts about the millets, about plant-based proteins. So these type of new concept which is coming, you can visualize here, you can see, you can meet each other in under one umbrella. You need not to go many places for your B2B business. It's a single platform where many buyers, sellers, manufacturers can meet. And this time, this is wonderful, very nice, organized, well maintained, and we are very happy to be here.